Or not.
A dead end? Perfect.
How far down does this go?
Guess that wasn't a dead end.
But I bet that is. Oh, look! There! And there! And over there!
This is beautiful.
Amazing.
Oh, mighty Lin-Yu, spirit of the jade, bestow your blessings upon the new crystals.
You know what this means?
What?
Think about it. The dragon's eye led us here, in the earth. She seems to have special powers in the earth. So she must be...
An underground troll.
No, the earth element.
Are you sure?
Positive. So let's make a good impression.
Oh, look what you've done, you ding-dongs!
And these manacles are from our exclusive harm bracelet range. As you can see, they are pointy, painful, and completely escape-proof.
Perfect! Then I'll take the lot. Lock him up.
An excellent choice, sir. You won't regret it.
General, I found Raindrop and his friends.
Well done, Flamo.
I found them too.
Yeah, but Grub was too scared to go in the cave and grab them.
How can you do anything right, Grub? Stay there while I send some terrors to help you. This time there won't be any excuses.
How come he only ever gets mad at me?
Just lucky, I guess.
There. Good as new.
Hopeless! Oh, I wish you wouldn't do that. Could you?
Make some tea and then tidy up the mess? Certainly.
No tea for you! You interrupted the sacred ceremony, destroyed the disc of harmony, and chipped one of my nails! Who are you?
I'm Raindrop. This is Xiaoyan, and this is...
You're magnificent!
Not important. The important thing is who you are.
I am the Jade Princess.
A princess? See? That proves it.
Proves what?
Your most gracious princessliness, we believe that you are the earth element.
Like in death?